So today I'd like to introduce you to Marty Landau, who is the creator of this fabulous brand of organic body and face products called Become. It's the Become range, and there's about 26 different products in the whole range that does everything for you, 100% organically, and it's 70% seaweed based. So every year Marty hosts a 6-day program to teach people all about seaweed and how to harvest it and how to use it to the best for your health. So Marty, can you just explain to me when is the course this year? What does it do?
I'm always so excited about doing this. I've done it for a few years now. We do it in Roscoff, Brittany, which is a little tiny village right on the edge of the ocean in the northern part of France. And what's magical about it is when you think about the Atlantic Ocean, the Gulf Stream comes up the Atlantic Ocean and it dumps into the English Channel. And right there at that point, there are over 800 species of seaweeds and sea urchins.
I didn't know there were 800 different seaweeds in the world.
800. Yes.
How amazing. And yet when you walk on the beach, you see kind of 3, maybe.
Yeah. So it's really amazing there. So what we do is we take a group of people, and it's from September the 15th to the 22nd this year. And we're staying right on the ocean there, and it's in these really beautiful villas. So it's a really great time for people to come together and really learn about the power of seaweed. And then, they can also go themselves after this and be able to know how they can identify certain different seaweeds and their properties and where to actually cut it so it's sustainable. And then we clean it and we dry it and dehydrate it and they go home with it. So it's a really interesting workshop and a retreat for people to be able to come and benefit from it, because you can benefit from eating it to putting it all over your body. So we talk to our formulator about how they do the extracting of it and how they choose it and all the different properties of it, because there's antioxidants and phytonutrients and all different kinds of ways that we can use it.
Yeah.
So
and removing heavy metals, which is one of the most difficult things to get out of your body.
Yes. And actually Isaac Asimov has said that it's the most gentlest detoxing food there is to remove heavy toxic metals and radiation. So a lot of times people can use this if they've had any kind of chemicals in their body. It acts as a magnet, and it's incredible what it can do for people. I've seen over the years of being here, and even before this when I was working with it, I used to be beside one of the largest research centers on cancer in our country, and people would have to have chemo and radiation, and then they would come and sit in the seaweed and the seawater, and they would detox all of that out. And they used to tell me, Marty, if I don't do this, I see such a big difference in my body. So I know it works beautifully. So I just like to share it with people. So that's why we have people that come and be able to experience this on their own, with learning how they can benefit from it.
Yeah, fantastic. Well, I will be doing my best to go there. So thank
Awesome.
you very much.
Thank you.